Do you want to monetize your YouTube channel in just 1 month? Is it even possible? Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the potential of monetizing your YouTube channel in a mere 30 days. Why is monetization important? Well, it's a gateway to turning your passion into a paycheck. Imagine transforming your creative endeavors into a sustainable income source. So, are you ready to set this ambitious goal to monetize your channel in a month? If you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube monetization, stick around. This journey promises to be exciting. Before we get into the steps, it's important to know a little about the YouTube Partner Program. This program is YouTube's way of sharing ad revenue with the very creators who keep the platform alive and kicking. It's an agreement between YouTube and the creators where you allow ads on your videos, and in return, YouTube pays you a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. But it's not just about ads. It also includes channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat, and YouTube premium revenue. The program is open to all creators who meet the requirements, which include having a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, compliance with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines, and having an AdSense account. These requirements ensure that the program is sustainable and beneficial for both YouTube and its creators. Now that you have a basic understanding of the YouTube Partner Program, let's move on to the steps you need to take to monetize your channel. Step 1 is all about building your audience. A thriving YouTube channel is akin to a bustling city square always buzzing with activity. The cornerstone of this city? A consistent posting schedule. Think of it as the rhythm of your city, setting the pace for the crowd. It reassures your subscribers, keeping them in the loop and always anticipating your next move. Next comes the soul of your city, the engaging content. This is the magnet that attracts passers-by, turning them into regulars. Be original, be creative, let your content reflect your unique perspective. It's your melody. Make it a tune they can't get out of their heads. Lastly, interaction with viewers is the glue that binds your community together. It's like the friendly neighborhood shopkeeper who knows everyone's names and stories. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, make them feel heard and valued. Remember, a loyal audience is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. Once you have a growing audience, it's time to focus on meeting the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, there are 2 main targets you need to hit. First, you'll need to reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. These subscribers are your loyal viewers who choose to follow your channel and receive updates on your content. Second, your channel must have at least 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. This means that viewers need to have spent a total of 4,000 hours watching your videos in the last year. So, how can you achieve these targets? It's all about quality and consistency. Create content that your audience loves and wants to come back to. Post regularly to keep your channel active and engaging. And don't forget to promote your channel and videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Meeting these requirements may seem daunting, but with consistent effort and quality content, it's definitely achievable. Finally, step 3 is about applying for monetization. So you've built your audience and met the requirements. Now it's time to take the leap and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This process involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to sign into YouTube and navigate to the monetization page. Here, you'll find the option to apply. But before you click that button, make sure you've set up an AdSense account. This is essential, as it's how you'll get paid for your content. Once you've linked your AdSense account, you're ready to submit your application. YouTube will then review your channel to ensure it meets their guidelines and policies. This review can take a few weeks, so patience is key here. With your application in, all you can do is wait. But remember, even if you don't get approved the first time, don't give up. Keep improving your content and try again. And that's it. Those are the steps to monetize your YouTube channel in just 1 month. Let's recap. First, build a compelling audience by creating engaging content. Next, meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program, which includes achieving 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Finally, apply for monetization and patiently await approval. Remember, the journey to monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep improving, and you'll reach your goal. Good luck and happy creating.